Hello friends, today I am going to introduce you to NoCode, which is a computer vision based platform to build embedded GUI in seconds. This is a very new tool which is in the beta version right now, and you can gain access to it, and I tell you this is amazing. This is seriously very good tool which I have seen through recently. And I'll tell you what exactly is this. This tool uses computer vision to detect all the GUI elements, which include the button, the text, the checkbox, slider and so on, and then convert it into an intermediary format like XML and JSON to generate code for GUI frameworks like LVGL, TouchGFX, NXP GUI Glider, etc. The goal of using computer vision is to be completely agnostic in terms of input from the graphical designer tools once the computer vision reads an input format. The input image can be any type like JPG, PNG, etc. In terms of output, NoCode exports intermediary formats to provide engineer-friendly code which is readable as well as maintainable. Well, let me go into the website and then show you how exactly things work. This is the website, GUIForEmbedded.com is the website, and you need to click Get Started for you to get the complete details further. Now, if you see that you need an early access key, you can request for an early access key, and it's very easy for you to do. You can drop an email. I'll tell you the email ID as well. And I have some key here which is not working right now. I need to get it renewed, and you can get the key access from them very easily. Now, what you need to do is you need to get the screenshot that whatever you want to be having the GUI, you need to just add it here. For an instance, I'm adding this, and you need to add the assets. That's all. Once you do that, send project happens, and once the send project happens, it's all very easy for you. Now, how does it work further, sir? It's very simple. You can see that here invalid key. I need to get it generated, get the new one generated. devteam@nocode.app. When you send them, you get the complete access to the complete access for this tool. Now, if you see that clearly, I'm getting you into the home page again. You see that the first step is to send the image prototype and assets, and then the GUI will read your image prototype and mark all the components. Then you can check all the marks and make adjustments. This is the most important part, and choose your favorite platform and download your GUI project. That's all. So you can export your GUI to TotalCross, TouchGFX, NXP GUI Glider, LVGL, anything. I tested it earlier, it worked fine. And this is very important for us because it reduces the time for the GUI development by 80%, they claim. And this is using computer vision for you to clearly create a GUI automatically. You can try it out, and there are some demo videos which are available here which you can see through, and this demo video show things very clearly as well, and it's easy for anybody to go through and then to understand it. It's conveyed in a very neat and a very simple way as well. So you can see that here the complete scanning happens, and it's very easy for you to generate something for TotalCross or TouchGFX or LVGL or whichever platform you need. And once you are done, you get your complete file generated, and that's all. You have your GUI available right now. Try it out. The website is GUIForEmbedded.com. This is very easy and this is very cool. Try it out, and in case you have questions, you let me know. I'll be able to help you. devteam@nocode.app is the mail ID that you need to use for you to get the access to this tool. Thank you very much, and I hope you like this content.